The subject of this short video is the license key file and how to create one or use them. Up at the top we click on File, select Device. We can connect to a new device and create a new license key file. We can edit this particular existing file we see here, or we can browse through our files and look for some existing license key files we may have created earlier. Let's create a new device. Up here we put in an IP address. This one will be 192.168.3.229. This file name, we'll create a new one as we generate the file. SNMP version 1 or version 3 must agree with what's in the AM3440 unit, as does this IP address. The communities have to match, or in the case of SNMP version 3, context, username, and protocols and keys. We need a controller serial number. This particular serial number, we could probe for it. We've received an email in our case. We'll look at our email. And here's the serial number, 173031. We will copy that and we'll paste that in. Our license key, we've received that in the email. This would be an email from DCB. That is copied. We'll go to our software file. That is pasted in. Now we have to save this with a given name. We're redoing something here. We'll use an existing name that matches. Loop unit with 229 last digits of the IP address. That happens to be anything you want to call it. That's what we'll call it for this example here. We save it. Now we can connect to the device, and there we are, appropriately connecting to the device. It's reading the file right now. It's reading the mapping, and that's it. That's all there is to it.